Easy, simple, consistent. The AL13 Home aluminum railing system by Fortress Railing strives to be one of the strongest railing lines on the market that a builder at any experience level can install confidently. And with a variety of accent pieces and accessories, making it all your own is just as effortless. Discover how straightforward an AL13 home installation can be, and always check your local building codes before installing yourself. This will be an overview of a proud post install where the top rail will end at each post. What you will need: AL13 home panel, AL13 home posts, AL13 home round ATR 6 feet, AL13 home flat ATR 6 feet, AL13 home touch-up paint, tape measure, pencil, circle or miter saw, level, 1/8 inch drill bit, T25 driver bit, 4-inch GRK rugged structural screws, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Included: AL13 home eye support, AL13 home post base covers. After double checking your railing plan and post layout, mount your AL13 home post to your deck surface. Position your post at least a 1/2 inch inwards from the inside edge of your rim joist. Pre-drill the openings in your base plate with an 1/8 inch drill bit to avoid splitting. Then loosely attach your post to the deck using your lag screws. Drill all 4 screws in about halfway, then using your level, correct your hardware until the post is plumb and level in position. One of the fantastic features of the new AL13 home railing system is that their strong posts also boast pre-installed brackets for an awesomely quick installation. These brackets are already set and installed at the correct heights on your posts to achieve either the 36 or 42 inch railing height you want without all the extra work. With your posts mounted in place, use your tape measure to find the distance between your posts. Measure from the back side of the bottom bracket across to the other. Then confirm this measurement is the same for the top brackets as well. For the 8-foot AL13 home panel, maximum post spacing is 93 7/8 inch, while maximum post spacing for the 6-foot AL13 home panel is 69 7/8 inch. Once you know the panel opening length, trim the panel to fit if necessary. When trimming, you want to cut both ends of the panel equally to ensure a symmetrical look. To do this, divide your bracket to bracket measurement by 2 to find half of the needed panel length. Then, find the center of the whole panel and measure out half of the opening length in each direction. Mark these locations with a pencil on both the top and bottom rail. Then use a circular or miter saw to trim at the lines. Clear away any metal shavings and cover the ends with Fortress touch-up paint to seal and protect those edges. Install the panel eye support by twisting it into the center on the bottom rail directly under a baluster. Position the eye support so that the included attachment screw can easily reach the deck surface. Set your prepared AL13 home panel into the brackets between the posts and then attach using the provided self-drilling screws using a T25 driver bit. Then attach your eye supports to the deck surface with the provided Phillips head screw. Clasp the bracket caps down over the base plate to complete this section. With your railing section nearly complete, take your AL13 home post caps and press into place atop the posts. Use a rubber mallet or your fist to lightly tap the post cap snugly in place. Once in place, use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to attach the 2 halves of the post base cover at the deck surface. There will be corner locations that will require a screw connection. Once you've completed your railing section, you can customize and polish your rails by adding a flat or round accent top rail or aluminum cap rail clips to create a gorgeous and functional drink rail. These parts are great, simple options to fully bring your deck alive and get the look you want to bring out your space. A solid, clean look and uncomplicated install make AL13 Home a brilliant choice for anyone wanting to build or renovate their outdoor space, no matter your building experience. Get started on your deck today with Fortress AL13 Home, available at DecksDirect.com.
Hi, my name's Diane and I'm with the Customer Experience team here at DecksDirect. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.